step-by-step approach for drafting your literature review. We will understand step-by-step approach for drafting your literature review, which is a very important. I would request everyone who is listening to my lecture today put a detailed attention towards this and try to understand the intricacies that are involved while designing or drafting your literature review. The first is defining your goal. So if you are writing an argument paper, create a thesis statement with a clear position. If you are evaluating scientific theories, develop a hypothesis to examine. If you're providing a self-contained review of writings on a topic, state your project's purpose. So at the beginning of any paper, define your paper's purpose so that literature review will be anchored to a specific point of view that you have designed or defined at the start of your paper. Next is do your research. Review a number of texts that mostly closely pertain to your topic and position and are written by relevant scholars in the similar domain. Understand who the top voices are and or top research papers are in specific to your topics or related to the specific domain or a field. And be sure to include the most pertinent publication by those scholars. Ground summary in relevance. As you summarize each publication, provide the context for that publication's importance by trying its main point to your thesis, hypotheses, or project statement. How does it relate? Establish its relevance to the discussion that you have mentioned. Develop review logically. Think of your literature review as the development of an argument. What were the earliest ideas on the topic? How did they grow and evolve in the academic conversation of this particular publication? First thing first. That's how you start logically. Include references or work credit list. As you are writing the literature review, you will mention the author's name and the publication years in your text, but you will still need to compile comprehensive citation for each entry at the end of your review. Follow APA or Chicago style guidelines as your course requires.